The key to manifesting anything you want is staying in the state of your wish fulfilled. So this is really like the principle when it comes to manifestation and conscious creation, everything. And so many people just like don't understand this principle because it's a tricky one. Like, I agree, it's a tricky one. Like, this principle basically tells you that you have to get into a certain state of consciousness, into a certain state of being, and stay in the state in order to manifest what you want in the physical reality. And it is tricky because you have to feel like you already have it. You have to think from this state, you have to feel from this state, you have to act from this state. You have to put on a whole new identity, an identity of the person who is already experiencing your desired outcome. And if you become like fixated on the 3D reality and what 3D is showing you, that this principle can be so hard, because how can you stay in the state of your wish fulfilled if your 3D reality is absolutely not confirming the state of your wish fulfilled? Especially in the beginning, because the more you embody the state, like the quicker you notice like positive, amazing shifts in your reality. But just in the beginning, when there's just you and this 3D reality, and you are about to put on a whole new identity, a whole new internal state, but you certainly don't feel like doing it because there's 3D and there's circumstances, and you want to shift the circumstances. And this is what you have to understand, that being in a state of your wish fulfilled is really the only way to shift your circumstances, to manifest your desires, to harmonize your entire reality. Because as tangible as this three-dimensional reality might seem, it's just a reflection. It's a reflection of what's going on inside you. It's a reflection of what's going on in your inner world. It's a reflection of your dominant belief system. It's a reflection of your self-concept. It's a reflection of your state of being. So it's really not real. It's not real. It's just a projection you created inside. So your inner world works as a blueprint for your outer world. And once you grasp this, you just stop allowing the 3D to define how you should feel in the present moment. And when you stop allowing the 3D to define how you should feel in the present moment, the true magic starts to happen. Because you just start connecting to your new reality, to the new version of yourself, to this manifestation that you want to come to fruition in the physical reality, because you know it's already present in a quantum world. Quantum world is so special and like illogical and everything. Like every thought that pops up in your mind is already a possibility in a quantum world, and all you have to do is tune into this possibility, align vibrationally and energetically with this possibility. So the moment you think about your new desired reality, it basically already exists at a quantum level. You start just more thinking from the state of this potential already existing, and you know that every time you elevate the state of being, every time you go into the state of your wish fulfilled, you connect with this reality. And the more you do this, the more you shift your entire reality, the more you shift who you are. You start in this three-dimensional reality becoming the person you see yourself becoming in this other reality. And this is basically how you kind of like jump into this reality and bring this reality into existence in the 3D. So don't ever allow 3D to dictate how you should feel. Don't allow 3D to do this. It's a reflection. It's a reflection of your past thinking patterns. It's a reflection of your past feelings. It's a reflection of your past identity. Do you have to uphold it? No. Do you have to maintain your current state of being? No. You can redefine yourself in every single moment of your life. You can put on a new identity. You can put on a new self-concept. You can completely shift your entire reality around. But shifting your reality starts inside you. It never starts outside of you. It never starts with you trying to push and force the change in external circumstances and wondering like, why isn't it happening for you yet? No, it's about going inside, taking care of your internal world, harmonizing your internal world, staying in the state of your wish fulfilled, feeling like you're already the person you want to become, feeling like you're already in the reality you want to create for yourself, and then the state of like this high vibrational energy of this inner fulfillment, of this inner bliss will create for you in 3D, will create for you this entire reflection, this entire new reality. So stay in the state of your wish fulfilled. Ask yourself, what is it that you want to manifest? And when you know, just become a little bit delusional, like, allow yourself to have this childlike curiosity and ask yourself, how would I feel like if I already were this person? What kind of emotions would I experience every single day? Would it be love? Would it be gratitude? Would it be joy? Would it be happiness? Would it be abundance? And all you have to do is just somehow find the things that will help you convince yourself, convince your subconscious mind, convince your energy that this reality is kind of like already happening. So anything that can put you in the state, already have it. Anything that gives you the emotions of already having this thing. So it is like watching inspirational video of people who already are where you want to be, or manifest as what you want to manifest, or like looking at your vision board, or doing a guided meditation for manifestation, or visualizing, or repeating affirmations. Just anything that will help you put yourself in the state of your wish fulfilled. And when you are in the state of your wish fulfilled, and when you are there every day, when you enter this state every day for quite a long time, when you make this state your new identity, your new state of being, like this is when you start noticing potent shifts in your reality, because you are not anymore aligned with this old reality, with this old identity, with this old self. No, you're not there anymore. You stepped into the new self, and since you've stepped into the new self, your 3D reality must confirm your new self-concept. Basically, you are not your past self anymore. You are becoming the new self, and the reality starts to confirm that. So what will really also help you to get into the state of your wish fulfilled is simply working on yourself. Because the more you work on yourself, the more you elevate yourself, the more you level up your entire reality. So work on your belief system. Address your limiting beliefs and wave them goodbye, because you certainly don't need these limiting beliefs anymore in your life. And brainwash yourself for the type of life you want to experience, for the type of reality you want to experience, because this will help you to naturally induce these feelings of the new reality, of the reality you actually want to experience. Become a whole new self, put on a new identity, because this person in this reality you're trying to achieve would certainly have a different daily routine from this person you are today. Like this person would probably take better care of themselves. This person would definitely prioritize their health and well-being. This person would prioritize personal development. This person would find time for their passions every single day. This person would have a gratitude practice. Like think about this person and become this person, because your identity always creates your reality. So identity shift is really a key component to feeling the state of your wish fulfilled, because only your new identity can feel the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Your identity cannot feel the feeling of your wish fulfilled, because your identity is like, yeah, but it's impossible. Like I can manifest it. Why would I feel these feelings? Like there's all this lack and limitation here I need to take care of. Like this is who I am. This is my identity. This is my belief system. But your new self, your new identity is like, of course I deserve it. Of course I have it. Of course it's mine. Of course I'm going to feel these emotions. Of course it's my reality. Like everything in my body, everything in my energy, everything in my belief system, everything in my meditations tells me it's my reality, so it must be my reality. And see, this is how you really convince your subconscious mind about something. Because the fun part about your subconscious mind and how it works is that your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between the imagined reality and the actual reality. So when you every day tune into a possibility and you tune into emotions and you really like feel into it, you feel like you're really this person, like your subconscious mind is like, oh, okay, we are really experiencing this reality. And since your subconscious mind has access to direct access to the universe and to the quantum field, the infinite quantum field potential, then you just naturally shift into this reality. So the bottom line of all of this is just creating consciously, manifesting consciously, manifesting by design always starts inside you. Always starts inside you. Nothing ever starts outside of you. Like, please remember about this principle. Your inner world is a blueprint for your outer world. So if you want to create any kind of change in your reality, go within. Go within. Go inside, because inside you is the only place when you can actually create a tangible change in your reality, because a tangible change in your reality starts inside you. It starts with the world of your emotions and thoughts and your belief system and your self-concept and your identity. And once you take care of those, and once you clearly define what is it that you want to achieve in your life, you're on your way of achieving it. Because the more you tune into this possibility, the more you align with this new reality, and eventually you will find yourself with this new reality. So start assuming and feeling and being in the state of your wish fulfilled. And anything you want will come to you, because you will no longer be your old identity. You will no longer be your old self. You are stepping into the new self. You are stepping into the quantum realm of infinite possibilities. You are increasing your vibration. You are elevating your state of being. You are changing your belief system, and you are becoming this person that you want to be. So I hope this was helpful. And I hope that right now you understand how important is staying in the state of your wish fulfilled, because this state will create for you a new reality, a reality you want, a reality full of joy, love, and abundance. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.